Okay, ladies, so it's really not very hard to create assignments and you can make them as quick and easy as you want. So I know I have a lot in mind because I basically took all of this week's assignments and gave each one. So like, here's the poetry one, and I just turn it into a brain pop poetry. And then I'm going to show you how you can just create a document for them to record in. So if you go in and you can create an assignment and then you can attach things. You can create a quiz and it basically makes a Google form that they have to answer the questions. You can make it a one question and they just do a quick response, all kinds of stuff. So I just basically go in and do create assignments so they have to turn it in when they're done and they have to click turn in. Their options are over here. They can add to it and add attachments, or they can just click on the turn in on their side where they're looking at it, and it's over here on this side where all of our stuff is here. It actually is very easy for them to click turn in or complete or whatever. So I just made an assignment. So like today, if I want them to do STEM scopes, I'm going to do science and I'm going to do required. So they know that that's part of, I told my parents that if it's part of the required assignments, I'm going to mark it as required. And then I put a note in there, all these links are on the Google Doc, but they're all required in here. So they can just access them through my Google Classroom and they don't have to actually go into this Google Doc that we made. They're all linked in there. So once I do that, then I can just write down, learn about rocks or whatever. And then I can add a link. And this is where I put in their link to the STEM scopes. Basically, to get that, I just went in to here and I went to the science link here, and if you go in and you hover over it and click on it, this is copy link. Go in here, paste the link, add link, and then create. If I want to create a document for them to like write down or type in their answers, I can just click on create. You can do it through Google Docs. They can make a slide if they have like different assignments and you want all the assignments in one document. Each slide can be its own page. Like, for example, I did that through in phonics because they have different pages. I did that through here where they are going to record. Here's the pages for them to do, and they can also record their answers in here. So that because they have page 589 to do today and 590 to do today, I just put it in so they can record it in there. I don't know if it's going to work for them all. Don't know who's going to understand it all, but I'm trying my best. So just trying to give as many options for all of these parents as I can, because the parents who are actually doing it are the ones who are going to click around, I hope, and figure this out. But if you go to create a doc, it automatically creates a blank Google Doc for you in your Google Drive Classroom folder. And so then you can just, write down, answers for page 3 or whatever for rock questions or whatever you want to call it. And then you can just do, okay, they had 1, and then they had 2. I think they had 3 questions or 2 questions. And then basically you just finish it. It's already in there. The tricky part is to make sure when you do this, if you create something, you want to make a copy for each student. Then that way when they go in to make the assignment, it's going to make a copy, and when they turn it in, their copy with their name on it is going to be attached to the document when they turn it in. It automatically puts their name on it. That's the really cool part about it. So I am actually going to not assign this, but just wanted y'all to see how I'm making it. Due dates, obviously y'all know how to do all that, but you can add and create and click all kinds of things. If this doesn't make sense or you're not sure how to do it, please just text me, I guess, or we can get together and I can show y'all more, but that's basically how you do that for assignments. So I'm going to delete the one that was my mock one, but just to show y'all some things. My check-in required, I just wanted them to answer a quick check-in, so I made a quick Google form so they could um, just, I just wanted to see that they were able to access it and understood how to, so that's why I created that. Again, I have a lot of things that I've just attached. All of these, each topic over here, I just used what they gave me. I did make the fairy tales. They're all linked in YouTube, except for Armadillo Chili. No, there were two that I couldn't find, but I bought them. I'm going to read and record those videos, and I will share them with you. I know we're not really doing fairy tales after all this week, but I thought it'd be fun for them to at least hear some books. But so that's kind of what I was thinking about doing, and if it's working today, I see I already have 2 turned in. Look, I already have 2 that turned in today's Monday assignment that's required. Ella just clicked turned in, so she didn't attach anything, but Dallas clicked turned in, and he attached his end page that his mom just took a screenshot and attached that page, so I could see that he finished those documents. So those are the 2 screenshots she shared with me. So I thought that was kind of a cool way to do it too. So again, if this doesn't make sense or you have more questions, just call me. I can walk you through it some more, but that's just kind of a quick, easy way to add more assignments and do some more linking. But let me know if you need more help. All right, bye.